So this is the entrance of bachelor's guest house. So this is it. Security camera everywhere. So here we come. So this is my unit. Okay, this is console type unit. You will see you'll enter the kitchen first. Now just close it. Okay, then there is the beautiful ceiling, and this is how it looks like. We have one toaster oven, this fridge, this hot plate, some utensils to cook your stuffs. This is the plates and all. Okay, so this is the bathroom area, small one. Here you can take shower. Okay, so it is like this. So this is the bedroom. You have a small study table. I've started to unpack my things, so it's a little messy out there, and these are my suitcase which I have not packed yet. So this is a cupboard, small cupboard. This is the bedroom, this is bed. Okay, and these are the curtains, and this is the beautiful view. It is peaceful. There is not much noise. It's very peaceful and calm. This is the heater they have given. This is the heater. Okay, so they have given lane connections also, and they have not got Wi-Fi yet. I think tomorrow they'll give me. So it's small and sweet console. It's a bit costly, but I think it's good. It's really good because just after 2 buildings you'll get one big shopping mall kind of thing where you will find everything. From there you'll find from groceries to all the electronics items, everything. That's it. Bye bye.